Hi you guys, it's Alexis here, and this is my year-end review video. The first thing that I'm going to start off with is the one thing that I learned this year about myself in math class, and that is I do well on the classwork, I do well on the homework, but when it comes to tests, I just blank out. Like a blank sheet of paper, I blank out. And the thing is, I need to continue to study every day. I need to continue to use that repetition in order to grasp the information, because without that, I'm basically on a test, I'm just lost. So for me, I need to find a few minutes to study every day and continue to study in order to let that information sink in so that I can show what I know in the test without blanking out and, you know, not doing as well as I could have. A mathematical concept that I learned this year that I will never forget is the unit circle. I really enjoyed the unit circle actually. I liked how we were able to put the unit circle together like a puzzle, and how we were able to base the whole unit circle off of quadrant 1 or the reference angles, and you had to memorize those angles in order to fill out the whole circle, which I just thought it was interesting, and how also the unit circle is very universal. So without knowing the unit circle, you wouldn't be able to complete a problem, because you know the unit circle is basically like the basis of trigonometry to me, because we used it this whole second semester. So I mean, I really liked the unit circle. I liked how it came together when you completed it, and how it was also other problems were based off the unit circle, and you had to actually know the unit circle in order to figure out those problems. So I thought that was interesting. A topic that I liked in Math 3 are the laws of sines and cosines, or pre-calc, are the laws of sines and cosines. I found it fun in finding the missing sides and angles based on the information given in order to complete the whole triangle. So that interested me. It was kind of like a mystery of like, oh, what could this angle be? What could that angle be? And also, you were able to like kind of check your answer based on the triangle. So it wasn't like, oh, this answer is probably wrong. It was like you had to use the a plus b plus c equals 180 degrees type thing in order to like make sure your degrees were right. I don't know. I just like the whole concept of it. Laws of sines and cosines are basically used for architecture and seeing how things fit with each other. So like when building a roof, they give you a good approximate angle or measure of how big the roof should be to fit on like a house. So it looks appealing to the eye, because doing things without really knowing how it will look could kind of come out off. So like laws of sines and cosines really allow you to measure things in order for it to fit together so it can look actually appealing. A topic that I did not really like in pre-calc are the angular and linear speeds. I don't know. I just thought that they had a lot of conversions, and if you didn't know those conversions, then you're not getting the right answer. And how you have to set up your problem a certain way based off of the word problem. So you had to set it up a certain way in order to get the answer, and it just kind of confused me. But angular linear speeds are basically used for like everything that has to do with like destinations and velocities. So I think I'm going to have to start liking them because they are used for a lot of these things. But velocity is basically the speed or how fast or slow something gets from point A to point B. And that's basically what the angular and linear speeds are measuring. They're measuring like the distance between 2 points, or how fast or slow you need to get there in this amount of time, or how they also can measure like the spinning of a wheel. So they come in handy for a lot of different things. So I guess I'm just gonna have to start liking them, because math is everywhere. So yes, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, that's it. See you in class. Bye.